Hi everyone, just a quick video today. I got a question about how to select the color in the partial color art filter on the Olympus OM-1. Alright, so all you need to do is just go into your super control panel, scroll down here to your picture profile box, click OK on that, and then use the D-pad and go over to your partial color filter. And then over here you'll notice there's sort of a drop-down menu. You just click down on your D-pad and then you get your special effects here. And then the next one is how you select the color. And then from here, just rotate the rear dial to select the color that you want. And just to show you one more time, go into the Super Control panel, go down into your picture profile modes, click on that, and then go over and select your partial color filter, and then scroll down. Here are your special effects. And then here's where you select your color. And then you can rotate the front or rear dial, select the color that you want to come through. And as simple as that. And then click OK, and you're good to go. And then the other way you can do this is just go into your menu, and then go over here to shooting menu number 1, page 2, picture mode, click OK on that. And then select the partial color filter, scroll down, and then highlight the color, and then rotate your front or rear dial to select the partial color that you want to come through. And then click OK. Now you may have also noticed that as we're going through the different color selections or picture modes, all of them have some sort of drop-down menu. So let's go down to monochrome, for example. Go all the way over here. And if I want to add a red filter, I just rotate the front dial and now the red filter is being applied. Or I can add sort of a sepia tint, blue, purple, green, etc. And you'll find this on all of the different picture modes. So your color creator, if you want to add a little bit of a tint to your images, you can do that. Go over here to our natural color profile and we can increase the sharpness, increase the contrast or reduce the contrast, increase the saturation, and affect the tone curve in here. I also want to add that this only affects your JPEG images. It has no effect on the RAW files. So make sure you're shooting in RAW plus JPEG or JPEG only, and any settings you apply or filters and special effects will be applied to the JPEG image. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to reply directly in the comments section, or just simply make a short video like this when it's just easier to show you than it is to kind of spell it all out. And if you like these kind of videos and you'd like to support what I do here, consider becoming a member of my channel, buying me a coffee, subscribing, hitting the like button, all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.